Cristiano Ronaldo's future is uncertain. Manchester United is looking for a new striker. Ralf Rangnick thinks that Manchester United should make signing a centre-forward one of their top priorities this summer. Rangnick, the interim manager, said it was obvious that the club needed to bring in a young replacement for Edinson Cavani when the 34-year-old Uruguay striker leaves at the end of the season. Edinson's contract is running out in the summer and the club needs the best possible centre-forward. I think everyone is aware of that, Rangnick said. The German's comments will spark speculation that United will make a move for Erling Haaland, the Borussia Dortmund striker whose £63 million release clause becomes active this summer. Rangnick knows Haaland from their time together at RB Salzburg, where he was sporting director. Rangnick's latest comments call into question the role which Cristiano Ronaldo may play next season. If Haaland, who is coveted by Europe's other top clubs, comes to Old Trafford, the 21-year-old Norwegian will want to start every game, so Ronaldo will have to move on to the wing or United will have to change formation to accommodate them both. United have also been linked with Harry Kane, who is a favorite of Mauricio Pochettino. The Argentine is on United's shortlist to succeed Rangnick when the interim boss contract expires. In their last two games, against Middlesbrough and Burnley, United have scored just 2 goals despite having 52 shots. Rangnick wants to see an improvement, starting with today's match against Southampton, although he does not believe that Ronaldo, who has not scored in his last 5 games, is the only man at fault. We should score more goals, Rangnick, 63, said. We created chances in the last couple of games, but just didn't score enough. This is not just an issue with Cristiano, it's also an issue with all the other players, especially with the offensive players. If you bear in mind how many chances we create, this is something that needs to get better in the next couple of weeks. Ronaldo, 37, cut a disappointed figure when he walked straight off the pitch after Tuesday's 1-1 draw at Turf Moor. There is a wider sense of discontent within the squad, thanks partly to the team's form, but also due to the training methods employed at Carrington. One source said there had been little change between the training regime of the Ole Gunnar Solskjaer era and that of his successor. Meanwhile, a story on ESPN claimed yesterday that Chris Armas, United's American assistant coach, is so unpopular that some players jokingly call him Ted behind his back. They are referring to Ted Lasso, the lead character in a comedy TV series about an American football coach who takes over a fictional leading English football team despite having little knowledge of the sport.